All right, so I don't know if you guys remember those Wagyu beef short ribs I did a little while back. I've got 2 left, and I'm going to do those today, and I'm going to braise them with some Guinness beer in honor of St. Patrick's Day. We're going to smoke them up on my Lone Star Grillz pellet grill. So let me get this started. We'll go in, prepare them, we'll get them on the grill, and get this cook going. And it's just that easy. Okay, here's my Wagyu short ribs. Just gonna spray a little bit of olive oil on here. And today I'm gonna use some Texas dust, oil dust. It's an all-purpose seasoning, so it should go well with these. Flip them over. Olive oil. Do this side. Okay, put a little bit on the cutting board so that I can do the sides. Simple, just like that. All sides. All right, little touch up. And there we go. We're ready for the grill. All right, that easy. There's my short ribs with the Texas oil dust on there. And I forgot to mention, this is not only just a Guinness braised short ribs video. We're gonna have Guinness surf and turf. We're gonna cook up some shrimp towards the end of this, so stay tuned. Let's get these on the grill. I'm gonna let them go about 5 hours at 250. Then we're gonna braise them in some Guinness. All right, we're gonna put these in here, right here. Now last time I used my little tailgater because that was all I'm cooking, but I'll be throwing other stuff on throughout the day. Looks like I need some more oil dust right there. Throughout the day, so I'm using the LSG pellet smoker. And, we'll probably see you in about 5 hours. All right, it's been just over 4 hours. I just checked the short ribs. They're temping out at 170 right now, so it's time to braise them with some Guinness. All right, there they are. Look at the color on those. Those look fantastic. Get you in for a close-up. Look at that. So good. All right, let's get these in the pan and get the Guinness on. I'm just gonna pull these off real quick with my hands. Don't hold them too long, you'll be fine. Look at that, they fit in there just perfect. All right, now we wanna get the Guinness in there. It's not every day I'll use a good beer in my cooks, but I think for St. Patty's Day it's worth it. Drizzle a little bit over the top. Moist. Right. Cover them up with foil nice and tight. Get them back in. Let them go. Probably another hour to 2 hours. Now, what I'm going to do for the sauce is I'm going to use some Guinness. And you know my favorite is Sweet Baby Ray's. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up. I'll heat it up inside. And we'll have some Sweet Baby Ray's with some Guinness. Let that simmer a little bit. There's a swallow left, and guess who gets that? Yeah, baby. Pitmaster privilege. Okay, this is the Guinness and the Sweet Baby Ray's. I did add some SPG, salt, pepper, garlic to it. I did taste it and just needed a little something. And I'll let that simmer for a couple of minutes and then we'll be ready. Okay, this has been braising for a couple of hours. Let's just take a quick look. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay, let's take a quick temp check, probe check. Well, it's probing pretty good. Let's see what the temp is. 197, 198, 199. 9. Okay, we're gonna let this go for about 10 more minutes. Oh, it's probing pretty nice though. And then we'll get out here, we'll put our sauce on, let them go, we'll get the shrimp on, and get this thing finished. Right, we're at about 2 hours and 10 minutes. Just cleared that. Okay, let's pull this out a little ways. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these short ribs out of the Guinness braise. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Now normally I wouldn't sauce these, but we got some Sweet Baby Ray's and some Guinness. I don't need any on the bottom. Whoa, that one just did fall off the bone. All right. Set that back in here. If I can get that a better view for you here. If I slide them out a little bit more. Okay. Now we've got our Guinness and Sweet Baby Ray's reduced. I did add some SPG to it. So I'm just going to get these sauced up. Like I said, I normally don't sauce beef ribs or beef short ribs, but yeah, why not? All right, so I know, what am I going to do with the all this braising fluid? Well, told you it was going to be surf and turf, right? I've got some shrimp with tails on it. I've got my world famous SPG on it to spice it up a little bit. So I'm going to put this right in that Guinness braise where the meat was. Okay, we're going to let those that shrimp swim around in there for about 15 to 20 minutes while the sauce sets up on that. And you know what? I'm going to leave the foil off. Set this right here. Close this up. We're gonna let this go. Okay, we're gonna let this go for the next maybe 15 minutes. We'll check the shrimp, see if they're done. If they need to go a little longer, we will. Ribs are ready to come off, so we'll be back in about 15 minutes. All right, I think we're done here. Oh, look at those. Here, let me get these out on the board. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. All right, let's move that to the side, actually. Get those, get that shrimp over here. Get the shrimp out of the braising liquid. Look at that. Now that is some surf and some turf. Now, not quite done with that shrimp. I gotta pour on the Guinness barbecue sauce. Guinness and Sweet Baby Ray's. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, there you go. That is my somewhat of a version of a St. Patrick's Day meal right there. Give you some ideas. Make some sauce with the, well, you can make the homemade sauce with the Guinness. But hey, I don't mind modifying some Sweet Baby Ray's. Stuff's good. All right, let me get one more thing ready and we'll do a taste test. Well, you know, hey, can't have my St. Patrick's Day meal without a black and tan, right? A real one. So we're gonna start with some harps. All right, that's my spoon. I'm gonna get our Guinness on there. And hopefully this will do what it's supposed to do. little bit of a mess, but that should turn into a nice black and tan here. Okay, there you go. We'll take our little turtle spoon off of there. And we'll do a taste test. Whoa, we'll do a taste test. All right, look at that. Guinness braised shrimp. Guinness braised short rib with some Guinness and Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on top. Look at that smoke ring. Oh, let's go taste this. All right, that's an all-day cook. There's my black and tan. Oh. That is a St. Patty's Day beer. All right, just brought a small plate out here. Look at that. Let me just show you. There's my shrimp. Look at that. Look at the smoke ring on there. Oh, all right, here we go. Guinness braised short ribs, Wagyu short ribs. Wow. That has so much flavor in it. Look at that. Oh, so good. That sauce really came out really nice. Let me grab a shrimp for you. My surf and turf St. Patty's Day meal. Look at that shrimp. We cooked it in the Guinness and short rib drippings. Oh. That is excellent. That Guinness with the Sweet Baby Ray's reduced down a little ways. Oh, so good. All right, man. If you're looking something to make for St. Patrick's Day and you want to impress some of your friends, give them a surf and turf. Guinness braised short ribs, Guinness braised shrimp, and the Guinness barbecue sauce. Oh, so good. All right. I'm gonna go in. You know I'm gonna enjoy this, along with my black and tan. Wow. All right, thanks for checking this out. I hope you have a great day. Come back, we got lots of videos. And don't forget, like, subscribe, share, comment. Hey, you know the drill.